Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, the past few sessions we are discussing about the various design process, and the next important thing is we are going to discuss about a peculiar characteristics about the design. So we are in the need of asking some questions. What are the types of design? Why we want to design? How we can design? Right? So there are many questions will arise. So if you are asking the question why we want to go for a design, means it will tell you the modifications, right? So whether it will be in terms of materials or in terms of some applications or in terms of technology, always there is a modifications. So if there is a modifications, there will be a big role in design, right? And if you are having a perfect design, then it will be very useful for the community. It is very useful to update the technology, and it is very useful for the forthcoming systems, right? So many things are there behind. So in the previous class we discussed about the importance of observation, right? So just I want to give some insights of why we are going for the design and how the design, right? That is also another important thing. How design? Can you tell me how design? What is the? It is like a question mark given to us. How we can design? Can you tell me? Some inputs from you.
Innovation.
Yes. Just
Innovation, sir. By
yeah, to do some innovation. Yeah, for innovation, we are making some design. So here the question is why is not the question. The question is how. How we can make a design. Due to innovation, yes, the design is possible. You are right. But how we can do any type of design? Any requirements? No. So while we are doing any type of the design, I'll tell you there are some requirements, right? How we can start the design. So to do a design, the following things need to be considered. Let us see one by one. That is the first case we discussed in the previous session. That is observation, the importance of observation. So only after observation you know that what are the problem there and how we can address that problem, right? So observation is very important. So the many human activities it will be helpful for the design that we can say how it will be. So observation and identifying the problem, then only it will evolve a new design. Then the next one is the experimentation, right? I think if you are asking what actually the experimentation means, you can say whatever you are doing in the laboratory. Oh yes, that is correct. But apart from that, the experimentation it stands for whatever the engineering concepts, what are the principles and the laws you are studying from engineering, if you are able to apply in some part, that we call it as experimentation. See, if you are studying a Faraday's law, and if you are applying the same in generator and motor, yes, that is a good experimentation. And if you are studying Kirchhoff's law, and if you are applying in some circuits, yes, that is a very good experimentation. We are studying Lenz's law, and if you are applying in the machines, yes, that is a good experimentation. Not only like this electrical experimentation, even some the force acting on a body given by Newton's laws. So if you are doing that experimentation, if you are doing some process there, if you are doing some applications, depends upon that. That is also experimentation. So without knowing ourselves, daily life human being is doing some experimentation. Means if you are trying to do something different, or you are following what existing, that is the question. But normally nowadays people they are having they are utilizing most of the time with the mobile phones, and they want to know something new, and they want to search something new, they want to change the search setup. So every places you are applying something from our minds, means that is experimentation. In India people will say that Google is a very good search engine. In some other place they will say that no, no, Yahoo is the good search engine. There are many search engines out there, right? But if you are trying one by one, even though you know that the concept behind that is a searching, but if you are using different thing and if you are coming to the one conclusion that it will be good, so that is experimentation, right? You did an experiment and you find out the results. So don't think that experiments it only aligned with the laboratory. Actually, it is aligned with us, with our daily life. Experimentations are there. And next thing is, one of you already pointed out the innovation. The logical thinking and the judgment, it will always leads to some innovations. What actually the logical thinking? Something if it is happening, I will tell you some important thing it is happening in movies. Especially the Indian movies, if you're taking, not the Indian movies, English movies or anything. So what actually happened means the hero can overcome 20-25 villains. I think you may know that. A normal being, a human being may not. So they projected like that. The people who is having the logical thinking, they will think like whether it is possible in the real life or some supernatural power is there, and if the genetic behavior of the human being it will be changed so that it will be like that. So many things are behind that, the logical thinking. That's why I'm telling. So somebody, otherwise a normal person, if they don't have any logical thing, what they will see means, oh, this is my favorite hero, and then immediately they will clap and they will come out. But others, they will think how it is possible, how the cameraman taken all those shots, so how it was described actually, what are the flaws there, if it is correct. So that is the logical thinking. So if the people there are able to think in this manner, and if they are making a judgment, then that particular scene will be perfect. Otherwise, people may laugh on that, right? So next thing is organizing results and the general principles. Normally, professors used to say that The science won't fail. And what are the laws there? And what are the laws given by the various scientists? It holds good in many places. I am not against. But I can't say all the places it will hold good. Some places it will oppose us. Some places it will not coincide. Right? That people should think. If you are making a good design, and if you are thinking in a different manner, you should think such type of principles, and you can organize the results. Means doing experimentation you will get the results. By logical thinking you may get some peculiar results, and also by applying the principles and laws of the engineering you may get many results, right? So that was there in the application of principles next. So that is these are the important criteria for a good design, or how design. How we can design? We have to design everything in a perfection. How we will get the perfection? While we are applying all those things, all those categories, what we are saying, that is observing, experimentation, logical thinking and judgment, organizing what are the results you achieved from your logical thinking, experimentation, and other things, other supporting things. And the next thing is application of principles, laws, etc. Many theories behind. And next thing is manipulation. So normally people will think why we want to manipulate the results, how we can get it. It's for a particular law, particular principle. You will get the results for the defined terms. But if you want to go to get the results for the undefined terms, you have to do some manipulations there and you have to find out. Right? So that is also possible in the design. And sometimes while you are changing the data, and if you're doing, you will get a perfect results also. So listen, our concept says the greatest designer is those who are able to observe properly. Right? That person we called it is the greatest designer. So you can say all of you are greater designers once you are able to observe things, and if you are able to follow all the other required insights for a good design. Right? So how to observe? You need to take the values depends upon the defined terms. You need to take the results for the undefined terms. You have to correlate the results. You have to do some analysis, and you can come with a perfect solution. Right? That's why the greatest designers stands for. As I told earlier, most of the designs you can get it from the nature. So how you can decide for a future scope? So sometimes people they will think that what I can modify, what to do. Look on the nature, how things are. A greatest designer there behind, the greatest designs are there in the nature. It was not man-made. It is in the nature. From that we can get many inputs. That is the important thing I want to convey. From the nature, you can get many inputs. for a better design, right? That's why, and you know about this person, Leonardo da Vinci. Do you know from which area he belongs to? Engineering or arts? Can you tell me?
Sir, arts, sir.
Yes, he is a very good architect, Leonardo da Vinci. So he made a very good portrait and many things, etc. So he is telling like, so normally the people, the artists especially, while doing different things, very big innovations are happening there. So how they are doing? How different things they are able to produce? One fine example is they are seeing the nature. They are able to customize their views on nature. So we are also seeing the nature. Sometimes we are getting some good insights, especially it will be attracting colors like flowers and other things are there. Sometimes it will be a very green environment, sometimes it will be like a rock, sometimes it will be with water. But a normal person is seeing, and the artist, they are seeing such things are different. A good designer should be like a good artist. They will customize the way they are seeing, the way they are thinking, and they brought everything into their innovations. So that's why he is telling that nature is full of infinite causes, not a single thing. Every day you can modify it. There is no limit. You can see the nature, and if you are seeing what actually you've done, and you are getting a good appreciation all over the world, still you can't stop. Why? Because if you are seeing nature, it will be changing. I think you may know about some 5 decades, maybe 50 or 60 years before. They invented something and they showed to the world. Throughout the world, people they were appreciated something means. Do you think for that same object or the same material in the current year whether he will get the same appreciation? It is not possible. So while they invented lights, the 18th century, people while seeing the lights, it is like a delight, and it is like some surprise thing they are seeing, some adventures. I think I can put this word. It will be good. That is adventures. So something it is because they got all the lights from all this type of lumens or lux. I am telling the light intensity. So from the sun, that is the only source. After seeing the filament lamp, for the people, they thought that it was like a big adventure. But now, if you are showing a filament lamp to a person, then they will say immediately you throw out. That is not right. That is not a right lighting system that should be avoided. Instead of people, they will say give some LED lamps. That will be good. So the filament lamps are obsolete. The 18th century, it was appreciated by the whole world. But in 2021, it will be obsolete. Nobody is using that. So what I am telling means the design it needs some modifications. It depends upon the nature. From where Einstein got this from the nature, from where the Tesla got this from the nature since it was modified, and now also after the invention of semiconducting devices, we're having the LED lamps. That is the very big advancements of semiconductor devices. Actually, that is a diode. We call it as light emitting diode. So the innovations are there and the modifications are there throughout. It will be depends upon the nature. There is a changes. That's why he is telling it is an infinite cause. A person cannot experience. But do you think whether Albert Einstein thought that all my filament lamps will be demolished and it will be replaced by this LED lamp? Never. But the time changes. Whatever it was appreciated by the whole world, but the whole world will neglect the same thing after some decades. Now LED lamps are there. Do you think it will stop? No. Some more things will be there. Some more advancements will be there in the future. Right? That's why, the nature, it's infinite cause there that we are there to identify, to find out. That is important. There are different types of the life forms. You can see there is a difference between the human and others. Can you tell me what is the difference? I think you are having you are seeing a picture, right? If you want, you can zoom it and you can see the pictures. Can you tell me the difference between the other pictures with the human being? Can I have some response from your side so that I
Yes,
can
sir.
continue?
Yes, sir. Humans develop outside, but animals and fish are not developed.
Very good, rightly pointed out. So all other living organism you can see apart from human being, there was no change. It's starting from the small insects to the lion. Some 10 decades before, or 100 or 18th century, 17th century, how lion was, now also the lion will be same. How butterfly was there in first century, how the butterfly was there in the 21st century, same. Whether they changed the way of living, no. That depends upon the nature and they adopt it. Even though the natures, there is a changes in the nature, they adopt it. But humans, you can see that. That is the differences. Because of the changes, two things will happen. One is the advancements. Everything you can make it as much faster. There are many advantages. If you want to go from one place to next place, yes, now flights are there. Some 5,000, 10,000 kilometers, very easily you can go. That is the advancement. So this Stone Age, it is not at all possible. Even if they want to go, it will take years to reach some areas around the world. Now it is very simple. And if they want to communicate, previously there is no possible way of communication unless otherwise they want to, they are using some bats to communicate. But nowadays, even mails, messages, you can call anybody, anywhere in the world within seconds. We don't want to wait for years, we don't want to wait for months. These are all the advantages there. But there are some disadvantages. While seeing the human being previously, I can say at least some 2-3 decades before, you can see your parents, your grandparents. even though they don't have these many access, but they were looking much stronger when compared to you. Am I right? I think you need to accept. So the statistics in the world, it is telling the same. The people, those who were there in the previous generation, actually they are very strong. They don't have these much bigger bellies like the present generations. So if you are telling the advantages, at the same time the disadvantages are also there. The advancements, technology is very, very essential. At the same time, nature is essential. So there should be a balance between how the nature is and how the technology is. So the comprehensive thinking actually will lead to a good design. It should follow the nature. Otherwise, it is very difficult, even though the technology is there, many advancements are there. Even though you want to reach particular position much faster, but in terms of nature, in terms of health, in terms of quality, we may lose many things. So that we need to ensure. So many improvements are there. I can say in India, previously the life expectancy was 60 years, decades before, but the life expectancy it was increased nearly 70 years now. So every places there are improvements are there, but if the human being they're able to live more than 10 years, 15 years than that of the expected or the life expectancy, but how they are living, that is the important thing. Whether they are able to lead the healthy life or not. So this thing I am giving to you to decide. So that's all from my end about how design, how the design should be. Just I want to summarize what we discussed. But listen, any type of the design, you need a good observation, need a good experimentation. It needs a good logical thinking. It needs a comprehensive analysis. It needs some manipulations, right? And if you are doing all those things, you can have a better designs. Similarly, you need to apply the principles, laws, the theories, etc. in the engineering. So you'll get a better design. So at the same time, we see in most of the designs are in the nature. And one more thing I want to tell you, like the life forms, that is very important in terms of design. The technology, it's very good, but it should not spoil the living organism. Like that is also a very important thing from my end. So I hope you can understand, since the subject is very general, right? So it will make you to think in a different angles about the existing things. I'm not going to, I'm not telling about something which is not available in the nature, or not available in the world, something which is available in the nature and how it is, right? So that's all from my end. And if you're having any questions, you can ask me now so that we can discuss.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Ajay
Sir,
Kumar.
after we end the section, sir, the recorded we can't able to play, sir.
Oh yes, actually, in MS Teams there is a policy they given like the recorded videos. It will be there for 20 days, right? Apart from that, it won't be. But you can't run it. You can download it. So that
Okay,
option
sir.
was given.
But it will download only in computer PC. That like, sir.
Oh, like that. Because you know what happened? Somebody they are using the previous versions. So the previous version, what happened? It was coming as such like the YouTube videos and all. It is buffering. But after updated or more and more videos were already recorded, especially for me. Then what happened? I think my slot was over, and now it will be available only to download, not to buffer. So I think, but in mobile phone, if you are having the particular what I can say video system or the video software is there, I think it will download and it will run. Because I am using laptop, that's why I do not know. Yeah, tell me, Ajay.
I already tried, sir, but it's not working, sir.
Okay, you are having laptops with you.
No, sir. I have a iPad user, sir.
Okay, there have you tried?
Yes, sir. I
There
tried
only button. Okay,
VLC player, sir.
okay. Oh yes, it will run in VLC also. VLC or media player it will run.
But in MS Teams, it shows you only download while using the PC or laptop. A bit
Or
like that showing,
like
sir.
that it is telling. Okay. So what can I do? Um, I'm trying to upload all those things in the YouTube so that you can see. Am I right? So that will be good.
Yes, sir.
So what I do means I will upload all those videos in the YouTube, right? So that and I will give the link
Okay, sir.
so that you can see.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, shall we go, sir?
Oh, okay, ma'am. There is no doubts. You can leave the session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So thank you.
Thank you, Abdul.